think you beat me, you can't see me, stop believing. Anybody come and you get no reasons, niggas, yeah. Big birds here, you can't even see me, not even drinking beer, nigga, yeah. Smoking hella L's, calling me in, calling Raphael, yeah, yeah. Leo, what's good? Coming back down to the hood. Never say what's good, nigga. You ain't doing shit. Roll up some spice and get some twisted. You ain't even know what's good with that girl. Down from Passaic, she rock your world. What is good? What is down? Nigga, I'm down. You down? What's good with the heat? Tell me if they won. I don't really watch cause I have hella fun. You can't even see me come and gone. You can't even see me, I'm so right gone. Nigga, I'm high, higher than a kite. You can't even see me, I'm out like sky. Yeah, I'm out on poppin'. You can't even see me, I'm out so rockin'. Yeah, it's me, not it's you. I'm coming through and rocking them shoes. I tell the truth every time you want me. Ain't nobody want me, though. Ooh, is you. Yo, Leo, what is good? Hit up Emilio, tell him what's good. You ain't never seen me come down to the hood. Yeah. Yo, what's good? What you say? Smoking that spice in any way, any occasion. You can't see me putting that Cajun in the season. You can't even see me. I'm the craziest. Niggas can't see me in the craziest. You can't phase me. Haters can't haze me. You can't even see me. I'm so hazy. Yeah, it's me. I'm the man. You ain't even seen it in my hand, so I got no proof. Got no blood, you the witness, but nobody loves you. What is good? Coming back down to the hood. Anybody wanna say what's good? Say what's good, I'm here. Baby, tell me something there. Yeah. Yeah.